Distinguishing between bees and wasps. Key contrasts. In the world of insects, bees and wasps stand out as fascinating creatures with their own unique characteristics. Here are 20 factual differences that can help you distinguish between these two remarkable insects. Body shape. Bees typically have rounder, more robust bodies, while wasps often sport slender bodies with a narrow waist. Hairiness. Bees tend to be hairier than wasps, possessing branched body hairs that aid in pollen collection. Wasps, in contrast, have smoother bodies. Coloration. Bees are often brightly colored with shades of yellow, orange, and black, while wasps usually have brighter yellow markings against a darker background, often black or brown. Social structure. Bees are primarily social insects, dwelling in colonies with a queen, workers, and drones, while wasps exhibit both social and solitary behaviors, with some species forming colonies and others living independently. Nesting material. Bee nests are commonly constructed from wax and are frequently found in hives or other enclosed spaces, whereas wasp nests are typically papery and can be suspended from trees, eaves, or found underground. Nesting location. Bees often prefer nesting in protected areas such as tree hollows, walls, or man-made structures, while wasps may build nests in more exposed locations like under eaves, in bushes, or underground. Feeding habits. Bees primarily feed on nectar and pollen, which they utilize to produce honey and nourish their larvae, whereas wasps are predators and scavengers, feeding on other insects, spiders, and occasionally human food. Stinger characteristics. Bees possess barbed stingers that detach from their bodies upon use, leading to the bee's demise, while wasps have smooth stingers and can sting multiple times. Aggressiveness. Bees are generally less aggressive than wasps and are more inclined to sting in defense of their nest or when provoked. Wasps can exhibit heightened aggression, especially when defending their territory or foraging for food. Pollination role. Bees play a crucial role as pollinators, actively collecting pollen as they visit flowers to feed on nectar, while wasps do not pollinate to the same extent, focusing primarily on predation and scavenging. Lifespan. Bees typically have shorter lifespans than wasps, with worker bees living for just a few weeks or months, whereas some queen bees may live for several years. Wasps can have longer lifespans, with queens sometimes surviving through the winter. Flight pattern. Bees tend to exhibit a more erratic flight pattern, often zigzagging from flower to flower, whereas wasps typically fly in a more direct and purposeful manner. Body size. Bees are generally larger than wasps, although there is considerable variation among species. Antennae shape. Bees typically have longer, more pronounced antennae compared to wasps. Leg shape. Bees have flattened hind legs with specialized pollen baskets for carrying pollen, while wasps have slender legs without such structures. Diet of larvae. Bee larvae are fed on a diet of pollen and honey, while wasp larvae are carnivorous and are fed on insects and other prey items by adult wasps. Nest defense mechanism. When threatened, bees may emit alarm pheromones to signal other bees to defend the nest, whereas wasps may exhibit aggressive behaviors such as buzzing and dive bombing when their nest is threatened. Communication. Bees communicate through intricate dances, such as the waggle dance, to convey information about food sources and nest locations, whereas wasps do not exhibit such complex communication behaviors. Overwintering strategy. Many bee species hibernate during the winter months, clustering together in their hives to conserve heat, while wasps typically die off in the winter, with only fertilized queens surviving to initiate new colonies in the spring. Habitat preferences. Bees are often found in floral-rich habitats such as gardens, meadows, and agricultural landscapes, whereas wasps can inhabit a wide range of environments, including urban areas, forests, and grasslands. These factual distinctions provide valuable insights into the world of bees and wasps, aiding in a better understanding of their behaviors and ecological roles. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get all the updates. Until next time, take care, stay awesome, and keep spreading positivity.